Good afternoon. I got a 2013 Jeep Wrangler here. It is the Sahara edition. It is four-wheel drive. Looks really good. It's all blacked out. It's all factory though. It's got the gloss black wheels. It's got really nice tire life on them. I believe they're. Let's have a look at the tires actually. They got Goodyear Wranglers, and they got really good life on them. Really nice black color. No real like scratches or anything like that. It's in good shape. Looks really good. Let's take a look at the inside. Let's go have a look at the driver's seat from the back. It does have the big screen. It's got those extra little tweeter speakers. Those are factory. That's the, I believe it's the Alpine premium sound. Has the power group, so it's got power locks, power windows, Sahara stitching. It's got the all-season rubber floor mats. Hop in. Okay, so we got the Bluetooth steering wheel controls with the steering wheel, the volume behind it. It's got 95,000 miles. Let's have a look. So it does have the big screen, power windows, AC, heat. It is automatic. I believe, yeah, so it's got a USB and AUX input right there as well. So you can use stuff with your phone. Let's have a look at the back seats. Got the rubber floor mat back here as well. Let's pop open the tailgate. Okay, yeah, this is the premium sound, so it's got the Alpine subwoofer back here. Close that up. On the other side, see the tires on that. Yeah, I think they might be brand new. I'm not sure. They look brand new though. Let's pop the hood open. Should be fun with one hand. All right, there we go. Cool. Yeah, everything's stock, but it's a really nice. It's not lifted, but it looks really good with it being all blacked out and it in really good shape. You could. The video probably won't do it much justice, but there's no like swirl marks or anything like that. It's a really nice black, yeah, really nice Wrangler Sahara. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped out at all. Have a good day.